In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend your App Store balance on iPhone. If you've redeemed an Apple gift card or added funds to your Apple account, the good news is that Apple will usually use that balance automatically for eligible purchases before charging your other payment methods. So in most cases, you don't need to manually select it every time. You just need to make sure you're signed in to the correct Apple account on your iPhone. One of the most common ways to use your balance is to buy apps or games. To do that, open the App Store and find the paid app or game you want. When you're ready, tap the Price button, then confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the purchase is completed, the cost is deducted from your Apple account balance. This is a simple way to use your funds, especially if you've added money specifically for App Store purchases. You can also use your balance for in-app purchases. Open the app or game, then select the item, upgrade, or feature you want to buy. After that, complete the purchase as usual. In many cases, App Store in-app purchases can be paid for using your Apple account balance. So this includes things like game currency, premium features, or app upgrades. Your balance can also go towards subscriptions. This includes Apple services like Apple Music, iCloud Plus, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Arcade, as well as subscriptions for apps you've downloaded from the App Store. Apple will generally use your available balance first before charging another payment method, which makes this a helpful option if you want to cover recurring charges with prepaid funds. Another way to spend your balance is on digital entertainment and media. You can use it to buy movies, TV shows, books, and music through supported Apple services, including the Apple TV app, Apple Books, and the iTunes Store where it's available. So if you enjoy buying content directly through Apple, your account balance can be used there as well. If you want to check whether your balance was used, open the App Store and tap your profile picture. Under your name, you'll see your remaining Apple account balance. This is the easiest way to confirm how much is left after a purchase. A few important things to keep in mind. You generally can't withdraw your Apple account balance as cash, family members can't spend your balance through family sharing, and in some cases, Apple may still require a valid payment method on file even if you have enough balance available. And that's how to spend your App Store balance on iPhone.